Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Fans on TV, it's the Petro Premiership, TS Galaxy 1, Sikukune 1. I'm joined by Big Man.
Nam Big Man madoda ne?
Yeah.
Asikupho sisindile usibonile.
Cindy.
Yazi besiphethe inyama yayo, na inyama yayo ibona inyama sibisiphethe.
Yeah.
Besiphethe inyama yayo nasi. Siyazuma.
Niyazibulala.
Beko sasithola 3 points nethi wayabona abafana hey. Siyabazoyela. Yazi wasuka Limpopo angabuye endonyana.
Nanix betizobabhlungu ku.
Uyayibona ke.
Ngiyakuthola Big Man.
Kodwa ukhona umunye ozoyibhatala next week.
Ukhona.
Ubuye eThekwini.
Wabuye eThekwini.
Uzobona ngiphethe ku fish isikhathi leso.
Richards Bay.
Uyishanga? Angisho bona ngiphethe inuku nje.
Yeah.
Next week.
Yeah.
Ifirst ibuya Richards Bay.
Oh, uzomphethe fish.
So ngibethela lapha eMasterpieces ePitoli.
Oh, ePitoli.
La kuyophela indaba khona.
Oh, ondlale every.
Ephela indaba.
Oh, epheli.
Yes.
Oh, uzongibulalela la.
Sengiyakutshela 3 points.
Bashanga Big Man. Tuni.
Sena assignment Richards Bay next week.
Yeah.
The other week.
Yeah.
La omnyama ubuya Egypt la.
Ngiyakuthola.
Lawo ke sobazamela yazi wasesifeni basalila.
Yeah.
Apakani.
Yeah.
Nethi dronyana
Oh, idrogo mapakani.
kodwa namhlanje siyathokoza yabona siyathoma kuza la.
Yeah.
Top
Stadium, yeah.
Siyathokoza.
Yeah.
Story support. Ama supporter please sorry. Besifuna kusasiwini game namhlanje.
Yeah.
3 points sithatha.
Yeah.
Kodwa ke
Yeah.
Sikukune naye.
Yeah.
Awuzwile. Ubonile nawe ubonile.
Yeah, nami ngizwile benibaphethe.
Uzwile ngabe siwinile game le.
Yeah, benibaphethe Big Man.
But hayi.
Ikhona induduzo nayo kwi-Chiefs mhlambe noma i-Pirates. Ngakhulumini nge-Chiefs.
Bona ke. Steve bona. Yabona masingakhuluma ngebhakaniya.
Yeah.
Izamile.
Yeah.
Izamile singanoma nezamile la sike khona.
Yeah.
Mala kodwa ungangitshela ngosikomota.
Ne-Chiefs izamile.
Usikomota ngakutshela ngathi loya unabi uze ku vacation. Vacation means kuvakasha.
Akacoachi la.
Hayini.
Unabi akacoachi.
Izolo bethiwe to not.
Hey.
Ilandelako.
Yeah.
Bhakaniya.
Yeah.
Ngen3.
Yeah.
Ngen10.
Yeah.
Bhakaniya.
Yes.
Ngibona sifo.
And then ucamba ukuthi uzohamba. I-vacation yakhe yini izophela lapho?
Vacation iphilile. Iphela ngeMay.
May yaphela i-vacation.
uJune mawungena iwinter.
Yeah. He's gone.
Ifly phamtshini.
He's gone.
Ngiyakutshela.
Unabi uyahamba June.
Tshela.
This June.
Sala thina amadoda anganamona.
Ngiyakuthola.
Siyatumuza.
Tivo. Thina hlala.
Yeah.
La thina sima Galaxy.
Yeah.
Ama Galaxy ana akabetha ayadumuza.
Awabetha enzani?
Ayadumuza.
Yeah. Ayenzani?
Ayadumuza ama Galaxy. Meaning that we here for killing people. So now, yeah. So now, lucky enough, they are lucky.
Very lucky.
They are lucky, Chief. They are lucky.
Very lucky.
We always
beat them.
No.
Yeah.
Big man. So now we are aiming for 3 points.
Richards Bay.
Yeah. Wait.
And then Pirates. Man of the match, Big Man.
Oh, umbonile Sibelebele. Yazi mfana yakigijima.
Yeah, unswim.
Babona ngabe kuchoose ama men of the match ayi11.
Yeah.
Angizotshele wonke. Qualify, yeah, ba qualify.
Amachita adlalile.
Bancane balingana nala uyabona ngendlela bagijima ngayo.
Ndoda.
Amanye baphethe ama under 40 nabahluleka uyabona ba.
Under 40.
Uyabona laba.
Ubani uphethe under 40 manje?
Leya.
Under 40.
Leya iluze izolo 200.
Kaizer Chiefs in under 40.
Ngiyatshela under 40.
Ubani under 40 la?
Why? Ngize ngikhona nje. La eGalaxy.
Galaxy
Player likhulu player i-coach na 39 uzoyenzani uyawina njani lapho ke manje manje
Coach 39.
yeah player 40 uyenzani lapho
Uzomcoacha kanjani umuntu omdala? Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
I hate you because you interview umuntu i-game le elizwe
Ubani ongathanda interview.
iPirates isiphoqile
Time.
kakhulu amvala udona ine
Uzoba crane chama.
I wanna pitch I wanna pitch
Shopping. Ngibona bafethu. Thank you Tema. Uma crane chama lami.